A tree that is effective for crops. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Alagaw, Primna dorata of the family Lamiaceae. Alagaw is a fast-growing shrub to small-sized evergreen tree. A decoction of alagaw leaves with sugar, calamansi, or lemon juice is effective for coughs. It can also be used to relieve vaginal irritation. The leaves applied topically over the bladder can facilitate urination and treat fever, abdominal pain, and dysentery. Leaves with coconut oil or sesame oil are applied on the abdomen of the children to cure tympanitis, local term for kabag. Leaves boiled in water are used for vating babies. A decoction of the root can be used as a parasiticide. Dried leaves and bark are used to fumigate poultry to remove lice and ticks. The fresh young leaves of alagaw can be used in cooking two local Filipino dishes called paksiw and bupis. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.